this is with the cat still on, in car, window down. So not a bad sound, guys, not at all. I think it's definitely gonna get a lot rowdier. So let's see what it sounds like with the windows up. Let's do another quick little pull. I do like the rev matching feature, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty sweet. So far, I'm liking this car, guys. Here. So, it's still a pretty good, I'm not gonna call it mellow, but it's a pretty good sound, even when, you know, the windows are up with the cat still on.